is fast food po din kasi pwede mo lang siyang iwan and then come back to it once it's ready. Yung mother ko is actually Bicolana, so I'm using, normally kasi pag nagpapalipulutan sa bowl, you don't break that chili. Pero yung sa akin, I'm going to add it towards the end because I like spice. So the process is to allow it to boil and then ilalagay natin yung mga pampaasin. Pwede na rin natin siguro nilagay pampaasin para madali. So normally, ano yan, green mango, pero nakuha natin may medyo may hinog, may hilaw. So ayan siya. So the key element is to flavor the water. So that's your base flavor. Para pag nilagay yung ating isda, hindi kinakalang matagal. So, kinakalang natin na lagyan mo ng lasa. This is already washed. I prepared that in my house. Asa ko kaya ang takip nito? Pwede mo bang pakitakpan? Hello? So, ayan. So, if you have questions, I don't know where the people here, meron tayo mga students and all that. So, this is something that you can prepare, and I love buko juice because it renders natural sweetness. So, I like the flavor of acidity, sweetness, and